Today, I'm trying to build a print-on-demand store using AI tools. I will be using the latest hit in the AI world, Google's Gemini Nano Banana, for ideas, names, artwork, and copy. It's insane how easy it is to create designs similar to super popular products with Nano Banana and then sell them on your own store. We will build a store with AI and connect it to a POD provider for fulfillment. We will design shirts with AI tools and list them on the newly created store. If you want a step-by-step tutorial so you can copy my prompts and workflows, you're in the right place. And the first step is to find a simple, specific gap in the market. In print-on-demand, I like specific over general. Instead of dog shirts, I'd rather pick funny husky obedience struggle. See the difference? As I mentioned, I'll be using Google AI Studio, but instead of using AI to generate product ideas for me, I will do the opposite. I will use it as a tool to unlock my creativity. You see, I want to sell products that truly inspire me so that I don't get burnt out quickly creating new products for my store. So I will type this: I want to start a new print-on-demand business. Ask me a series of questions to help me come up with ideas. This is a great way to brainstorm for free. Yes, you will spend a bit more time on this step, but as a result, you will have an idea that really fills the gap, something unique and interesting for you personally as well, which makes it easier to work on growing your store in the long term. In my case, Google AI quickly helped me identify the niche of pets, small dogs in particular, because I've been a dog mom to this cutie for 10 years and I know a thing or two about small breeds. Through answering all of these questions, I also figured out that I want to sell t-shirts with funny and sarcastic quotes and designs featuring small breed dogs. Nano Banana instantly generated 3 t-shirt ideas with the quotes and even images on them. Just like this, I went from no idea of what I was going to sell to a visualization of products that I could sell. Isn't it amazing what we can do these days thanks to AI tools? I know a lot of people are scared of what the future brings when AI is so powerful, but I'm very optimistic. I mostly see it as an opportunity to do more things in less time and to unlock any creativity blocks. So then I will ask Google AI to generate me 20 short, funny quotes that I could use on the t-shirts for small dog owners. We have so many great quotes here, like small dog, big attitude, or fur missile activated, and many others. For designs, I will be also using Google's Nano Banana inside AI Studio. It's like an AI version of Photoshop that can create and edit images for you. What I found really surprising here is that it's actually following the prompts and the references that I submit very precisely. I wasn't able to get results like this in any other AI image generators. You can get access to it for free through your Google account inside Google AI Studio. There is also a Gemini Pro trial that unlocks extra features, and right now, by the way, you can use it for free for 30 days. To get some inspiration for a nice-looking quote design that works great for t-shirts, I first found this design on Canva. The Pro plan on Canva is paid, but they also have a 30-day free trial. Canva is a drag-and-drop designer with a large library of fonts, templates, and so on. Now I'm asking Nano Banana to create a similar design for one of the quotes, "My dog runs this house." I just uploaded the design from Canva to use it as a reference. AI will make it a bit different and add unique elements. Well, it didn't get my request right from the first attempt, it actually kept the word "great" from the original design. So I asked it to be removed and the second version looks perfect. I can download this design from here. And just for you to understand how amazing this Google AI image generator works compared to others, I will show you what happened when I asked Canva AI to create a t-shirt design with a similar style, and I also attached the image. I tried several times and it kept giving me something completely different. So for generating AI images, Nano Banana is many levels better than Canva AI, but the images come out of it smaller than what we need for printing on a t-shirt. I tried several times to get bigger sized images in Google AI, but even the Pro version couldn't do it. So I will still go back to Canva Pro to help me make this image usable for a t-shirt design. First, in some cases, you might need to remove the background. Canva does that in one click and never fails. Second, you will want to use Canva's AI image upscaler to raise resolution for printing. I then can export it as a transparent PNG file at an increased size for better print quality. I've also decided to analyze some of the trending designs selling well on Etsy for the keywords related to funny dog t-shirts. I found this t-shirt from a popular store that has over 3,000 positive reviews. I used Everbee Chrome extension to analyze this listing, and I found out that this particular design was sold 144 times and it made over $2,000 in revenue. So I asked Nano Banana to create a t-shirt with a similar design, except that I needed a different quote, so I clarified that the font must be bigger, and I also specified that I only needed small breed dogs on the image. And here you go! AI understood exactly what I needed and generated me a beautiful t-shirt with a similar style of the design. I then asked it to provide me just the design without the mock-up of the t-shirt and the background, and now I have the design image. I can do the same manipulations with this image using Canva AI Upscaler and save it as a PNG. That's it! I have my own versions of trending fonts for quotes and designs adapted to a more narrow niche specifically for small dog breed owners, and I'm ready to upload them to my store. Speaking of which, now it is time to create the store, and I'm also going to do this with AI tools. So next, I'm going to use an AI store builder. I partnered with Everbee Store to show you how fast you can generate a store from a simple prompt. Just use the link below to sign up and you will get a whole month of Everbee Store for just $1. You have three options here. You can start building a store from scratch using just a simple prompt and their AI engine. Or if you have an Etsy store, you can migrate your products quickly, or migrate from another platform like Wix, for example. But today we're generating a store from scratch, so I'll choose to build it with AI, and in the prompt window, I'll just say here that I want to create a print-on-demand store to sell funny t-shirts for small breed dog owners. As I type it, Everbee will suggest more extended descriptions. I'll go with the first one and click on this arrow to start generating the store. In a few moments, I've got the store with a home page. Their AI even tried to generate some store names for me, like this, hilarious threads for paws. I will use Google AI to come up with shorter store names and change it later, so no worries. The store already has product placements, even an email form at the bottom of the page, About Us, help and return policy pages, and it has the top menu, and basically the whole structure of the store is there. I just need to customize it for my specific store. And it also fully optimizes for mobile devices. You can switch here and check how it would look on mobiles. You can also change your color scheme and fonts here. But for now, I'm going to click here to go to the dashboard. Here you will see that we can add our Stripe account information. That's where you will be getting paid. And for now, I'll skip the step. And then you could add a product manually. But for this challenge, we don't have to do it because I'm going to sell print-on-demand products. So I'll just click on Apps and then App Market. And here I'll choose Printify integration. Then click Install the app, and in the process, you will need to first click Approve, then Connect. And here, if you don't have a Printify account, use my link in the description below and just sign up with your email address. It's totally free, and I mean it because Printify does have a forever free account. Once you signed up on Printify, click here to allow connecting your Printify account with Everbee Store. And once you do that, if you already had a store on Printify, in the top right corner, you can choose which store you want to use. But I assume that you're creating a new store with me today. So in this case, we have to go back to Printify account and set up a store for my funny dog t-shirts. So all you have to do here on Printify, in the top left corner, click to add a new store. We don't need to connect the store with any other platform right now. Just choose Printify Pop-up Store. On the next step, we need to submit a store name. Remember, I wanted to ask Google AI to help me with some ideas. So I will do it now. I just said, I wanted 20 ideas for my store selling t-shirts with funny quotes for small dog owners. Here we go, lots of ideas. I could use any of these as it is or use something for inspiration. You know what? I like Tiny Tails tees, but I might want to make it a bit more generic, just in case I decided to add other types of products in the future. So I don't want to be limited to t-shirts only. Going back to the Printify store name, I'll try here Tiny Tail Prints. Click Continue and launch the store. Now on Everbee Store, I can refresh the store list and choose my newly created one. Alright, our next step is to create the first product for this store. Printify has hundreds of products in its catalog. To get there, click the navigation item called Catalog on the left. You can open the subcategories and you will see that you can sell pretty much anything from clothing to home decor items, accessories, to even beauty products. When you choose a product, Printify will give you what's called Printify Choice, which is basically their top-rated recommended suppliers. And I recommend keeping it simple for now, at least when you're just starting. T-shirts are the best-selling print-on-demand product, and the Gildan 5000 is my favorite mix of comfort and classic style. It's unisex and it offers a strong profit margin, so you don't need to charge your customers a lot. That allows you to give customers a great deal, especially when you start with a low base cost product like Gildan 5000. What's important to know is that Printify works with many different fulfillment centers. So you're not stuck with this one printer. Depending on where your customer is located, Printify can route the order to the closest provider for faster shipping. If you want, you can even manually select your supplier. My personal favorite is Monster Digital. They have fast shipping, good quality, and a wide range of color options. Now I'll hit Start Designing. There are many products to explore, but we will stick with the t-shirts. Next, I'll open my library, and here I need to upload my design. I will resize it a bit until it looks right. Then I'll click Select Variants in the top right and choose the colors to list in the store. White is a great default, but then you can check which colors here could be a good fit for this particular design that you're applying. I like to hit Preview in Printify to confirm the product looks the way I expect. You can also browse their built-in mockups. This is included for free, so check a few mockups before submitting your store. Now, once your product and colors are lined up, I also recommend you to always include the size chart when you choose mockups because it reduces unhappy customers and returns. And I recommend you showing a mix of mockups, 1 or 2 flat lays and at least 1 lifestyle mockup with someone actually wearing the sweatshirt. This helps buyers imagine themselves in the product, which usually boosts conversions. And one of my favorite platforms for additional mockups is called Placeit. Luckily, Printify recently made a smooth integration with it, so you can add Placeit mockups directly in Printify during the upload process. It's a huge time saver. With Placeit, you can pick your shirt color and filter by age, gender, and even ethnicity to find mockups that best match your target audience. Lifestyle mockups like these usually tend to sell better than plain flat lays, so it's worth taking the extra step. Once you've chosen your mockups, hit Save Selection, and they will be ready to publish with your product. Now we will add these products to your Everbee store. So we're now back to Everbee admin dashboard. All the products that you created on Printify are automatically synced to Everbee store. And if they sell, Printify auto-fulfills them. It is really hard to believe how easy it is to start a print-on-demand store with this integration and AI store builder. Here is how the store currently looks. Everbee Store's AI generated this layout. I will open the designer in the main navigation of the admin, and I can replace this banner image with something else. that matches the theme of the store. I actually created this image in Google AI Studio with Nano Banana as well. We can check the store and how it looks at this stage with customizations that I made so far. By the way, I didn't change pricing yet. You need to double check your prices on Printify using their price calculator. Then you should also connect your account on Stripe. It's also free to create. Once you have it, your store is ready to sell t-shirts. Everbee's AI store handles a lot of the heavy lifting for launching an online shop quickly and efficiently. On the first load, there is an email pop-up by default, which you can customize. If you start collecting emails early, it helps you boost sales. Imagine a pet owner. They buy one t-shirt from you, but they still love their dog, and the next time you might offer them a mug or a pillow, reminding them of their pet. You should totally use email marketing features that are offered with your Everbee store. Everbee Email is a full-featured system where you can import subscribers, you can send newsletters, and turn on automations. A welcome series, order updates, abandoned cart and checkout, account support, even subscription emails if you need them. Email tools alone can get expensive as your list grows, and you get this included when you launch your Everbee store. Isn't it wonderful? Now I have a brand new store and products on it. This took me a few hours perhaps instead of weeks to launch, but I still need to get visitors to my store to make sales, right? So my favorite platform for free traffic is Pinterest. Pinterest is basically a visual search engine, and it works beautifully for print on demand especially. You can take the same lifestyle mockups that you uploaded to your store and pin them or save them to your boards on Pinterest with links back to your shop, to specific products. Since people use Pinterest to search for holiday gifts, seasonal clothing, home decor, this is exactly the type of audience who might be interested in products with unique and custom designs that your print-on-demand store offers. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn how I'm getting thousands of visitors to my website from Pinterest and how you can use it for your e-commerce business, check my next video linked up there. I'll see you in the next one.